Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some significant movements in the crypto space, with TON making headlines for defying market sentiment with a massive surge, while Bitcoin struggles to maintain its price above $70,000. Let's jump right in. The cryptocurrency market is always full of surprises, and today is no exception. TON, short for Telegram Open Network, has stunned investors with an impressive 23% surge, despite prevailing market sentiment. This unexpected rally has caught the attention of both traders and analysts alike, sparking speculation about the underlying factors driving TON's price action. The sudden surge of TON prompts a closer examination of the factors driving its remarkable performance. Analysts attribute this surge to a confluence of key elements, each contributing to its upward trajectory. Firstly, there's a resurgence of investor interest in TON, fueled by a renewed optimism in its potential and prospects. This renewed enthusiasm is further bolstered by the project's recent positive developments, which have showcased tangible progress in its technological advancements and strategic partnerships. TON's reputation for setting ambitious goals and its commitment to innovative solutions have also played a pivotal role in attracting attention from the crypto community. TON's steadfast progress along its development roadmap has instilled confidence among investors, who view the project as a promising player in the competitive landscape of blockchain technologies. As TON continues to solidify its position and gain momentum, its surge serves as a testament to the power of visionary projects backed by robust fundamentals and a dedicated community of supporters. One key factor driving TON's surge is the project's recent announcement of major partnerships and integrations. These partnerships not only validate TON's potential but also open up new avenues for growth and adoption. TON's team has been actively engaging with the community, providing updates on development progress and addressing concerns, which has helped build confidence among investors. TON's surge could be attributed to the broader market sentiment. As institutional interest in cryptocurrencies continues to grow and mainstream adoption gains momentum, investors are increasingly looking beyond established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum for opportunities. TON, with its unique features and promising roadmap, has emerged as an attractive investment option for those seeking exposure to innovative projects in the crypto space. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, is facing downward pressure, with prices slipping toward the $70,000 mark. Despite its status as the market leader, Bitcoin's recent struggles highlight the ongoing volatility and uncertainty in the crypto space. Traders are closely monitoring key support levels to gauge the next potential moves for Bitcoin. One of the key factors contributing to Bitcoin's recent price movements is the intensifying regulatory scrutiny worldwide. Governments and regulatory bodies in various countries have been stepping up efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency market, citing concerns about investor protection, financial stability, and illicit activities. This increased regulatory pressure has led to heightened uncertainty among investors, resulting in heightened volatility in Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's recent struggles could also be attributed to profit-taking by institutional investors in whales. After reaching record highs in recent months, some large investors may be taking profits off the table, leading to selling pressure on the market. Additionally, uncertainties surrounding macroeconomic factors, such as inflation and interest rates, could also be influencing Bitcoin's price dynamics. Despite these short-term challenges, many analysts remain bullish on Bitcoin's long-term prospects. With growing institutional adoption, increasing mainstream acceptance, and the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which will reduce the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, Bitcoin's fundamentals remain strong. As such, many investors view price corrections as buying opportunities to accumulate Bitcoin at discounted prices for the long term. Market sentiment remains mixed, with investors balancing optimism and caution amid fluctuating prices and regulatory developments. While some remain bullish on the long-term prospects of cryptocurrencies, others are wary of potential headwinds, including regulatory scrutiny and geopolitical tensions. On one hand, proponents of cryptocurrencies highlight the accelerating trend of institutional adoption, bolstered by the growing acceptance of digital assets within mainstream financial circles. This surge in institutional interest is evident through the increasing involvement of prominent players such as hedge funds, asset management firms, and corporations, all committing substantial capital to the cryptocurrency market. Such movements underscore a growing recognition of the potential for cryptocurrencies to disrupt and reshape traditional finance, signaling a pivotal moment in the evolution of the financial landscape. This institutional influx not only lends legitimacy to the asset class but also injects liquidity and stability into markets, fostering an environment conducive to further growth and innovation. Additionally, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, represents a paradigm shift, offering novel financial services and products built on blockchain technology, further solidifying the maturity and viability of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The proliferation of blockchain technology and its applications across various industries further fuels optimism among crypto enthusiasts. From decentralized applications, dApps, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and beyond, the blockchain ecosystem continues to evolve and innovate, offering new opportunities for investors and entrepreneurs alike. On the other hand, regulatory uncertainty remains a major concern for many market participants. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, leading to a patchwork of regulations that vary by jurisdiction. Regulatory crackdowns on exchanges, initial coin offerings, ECOs, and other crypto-related activities have raised questions about the long-term viability and legality of certain projects and investments. Geopolitical tensions and macroeconomic factors also weigh on market sentiment. From trade disputes to currency devaluations and geopolitical conflicts, global events can have ripple effects on financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. Uncertainties surrounding inflation, interest rates, and fiscal policies further complicate the outlook for the crypto market, as investors seek safe haven assets to protect their wealth. In conclusion, today's market dynamics highlight the ever-changing nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. While TON's impressive surge captures headlines, Bitcoin's struggles serve as a reminder of the inherent volatility in the market. As always, it's essential for investors to stay informed, stay vigilant, and tread carefully in this exciting yet unpredictable space. That's all for today.